Hi, myofascia. Do you know what is myofascia? This is a muscle, and around the muscle entangles this thin layer which is called as fascia, and this fascia entangles in the whole body and covers as a network through which the whole system is connected. So you think if this thin layer around the muscles get affected, can create problems? Yes, of course, it can create problems. It can create problems here, it can create problems here, it can create problems here. So doesn't mean that if I have restriction over here, cannot create a pain over here. Definitely, it can create a pain over here. But you see my hand, if I raise my hand into flexion, it's going very easily. But if I tighten this and try to take my hand, it will not go. That means this thin layer is not letting my hand to go into flexion. So if I release this restriction, I am able to take my hand completely back. So what does this signify? That this thin layer, if is restricted in the whole body anywhere, can create problems or pain anywhere in the body. So in order to explain the myofascial meridians, its assessment and how it can affect the whole body, we need to balance it. I, Gaurav Chawla, through the platform of ISOMT, would giving a free lecture to explain these all myofascial meridians, its impact, its assessment and balancing, which will help the movement and the manual therapist to have a better understanding of the myofascia and can use it in their treatment tools and give a different perspective to treat a patient holistically. Thank you.